Hey guys, this is just an unboxing quick look at the Quotra ZigBee Philips Hue Halo Light. Just going to do an unboxing and setup with Hue and first impressions. So let's get started. So I can't find my box cutter, so I'm going to try this protractor, see if I can get it open. Wow, I never knew it was going to be this big. I'm thinking that it's going to give off a lot of good light. So it looks like it's a kind of like a light strip kind of connector. It'll have an AC, manual toggle, very sturdy. Let's go ahead and open it. Yeah, so the materials used are really solid. Inside it's like a gloss, but it blends in kind of seamlessly. So from far away you can't really tell that it's the one's a light and one's like the metal housing. And the bottom here is just an anti-slip foam, really nice. The button here, so it's a toggle in and out. Okay, so I'm assuming it's going to cut the power, like a hard shut off, but we'll see. Let's just take a look at the guy here. All right, so the same Quotra ZigBee connector unit. One goes to the wall. Why I really like this stuff is when a lot of these companies do when one is bigger than the other. I like how having a reversible AC adapter just makes everything easy. That's why you have lightning cables and USB-C and or Type C. All right, so let's go ahead and get this. Oh yeah, right before we get it set up, let's just take a look at the quick start guide. So looking at it here, the pairing mode, turn on and off, and some other stuff for Echo Plus, Philips Hue, pairing reset. All right, so let's pair it up to Hue and see how it goes. So it paired to Philips Hue right away, so that's great. So let's just give an example of going through this. So I called it base office lamp 4. I'm going to do on off. Let's see if we can get a better shot of this. Local works with non-Hue manufactured bulbs really well. Let's go back here. Let's just try some colors here. Red lights up the whole room, really bright. Great limey greens. Love the blue. And the light purple is really great. The colors are really awesome on this. Let's just try a warm light. The warm looks really nice. The cool is in line with the Hue official cool. All right, so let's just try dimming down to 1%, a little bit higher, and dim slowly. So brightness is on par with the A12s. A12s from Philips Hue might have higher lumens, but because this casts a light you know, a little different. It seems like they're kind of in line. But let's just try this guy here. It's a hard shut off. That's nice feature. Really nice white clean lines, goes with the IKEA desk I got going here. Absolutely loving this thing. Quotra makes great products like these. I'll have to buy a couple more. Thanks guys.